So today we're gonna do an underground circuit. It's gonna be from the garage to the house. We will be doing a sub panel. We're gonna run a 1-inch pipe. The difference in this particular occasion is that even though it's a 60 amp circuit, when it's PVC and then it's underground, you always want to upsize the pipe. So today we decided to use 1.25 inch, and then we're just gonna put reducing bushings from 1 inch to 1.25 inch to 1 inch. So hopefully you guys like the process. We got the Reaper. It's a trencher, very ideal. We got a walk behind too. So hopefully you guys get to see that and enjoy the video, guys. Well, yeah, since this one's good, we already got the measurements. We could do this real quick, glue it up with that one, and then we
short one.
Yeah,
let's get the shorty first. Yeah,
let's just do this piece here.
Okay.
I think me and Angel got this one. Start rolling up the wires. The black, red, white, and green. Do one by one, Danny. I know you're Superman, but I see. That's it. Not too much. Let's present it to see how it looks. Just set it down. Just want to make sure. Oh yeah, I can. It looks good, right? All right. Let's take it out. Push it in, and do the stuff that you got to do, bro. So we're doing the linear, the pull string with the underground makes it way easier. But you see, even like this is already hard. I really don't know why this guy took so long. Well, here it's
there, right?
It's not that bad. Yeah, we gotta do a compression. Hold on. Thinking, should we use it or no? That's not 3/4. That's not
Oh wait, this is 1 inch, yeah.
That's 1 inch? All right. Go turn it. Go ahead. And then with the other one that he has, he's just gonna boom.
Oh, I see.
All right, so right here?
Yeah, like right exactly right there, yeah.
Okay, so we could unscrew it from there. Okay.
Turning it around.
Don't get scared, man. You still had some.
It's about being precise.
Making sure it's almost under 18 inches. Pretty nice trench. It's about what do you think? How many inches wide?
Approximately
3 inches. So that's how much dirt we're gonna be messing up, which is not a lot. You can seed it, but that Geo Reaper does the trick. Just a little careful today because there is underground wires. Even though they're away, we still try to be a little bit precautious. Okay, so we're running the ground pipe here, guys. Let me just give you some insight. There is light here. I don't know why we're in the dark, but this grounding, the nice little silver metal pipe all the way down here. It's about 110 feet of number 4. Okay, we'll figure it out. Terrence, we'll call you tomorrow. Okay? All right, bring me coffee. Bye. It's a great day being here, working electrical. It's very fulfilling, helping those with their electrical needs.